Keeping up with parking lot drain cleaning is vital to a tidy, functioning parking lot. Problems with litter can be unsightly and cause catch basins to clog. Clogged storm drains lead to flooding. Maintaining a spotless parking lot can bring in business and help save on repair costs in the long run. Keeping your catch basin or storm drain from clogging is easy and always preventable. You can start by always removing debris and trash from the grates when you see it. Trimming bushes, trees, and raking leaves are some examples of preventable actions. Be aware that there will be times when things slip through the grates and unwanted buildup occurs. Establishing a cleaning routine is the easiest way to prevent issues with flooding and clogging. Assignments to clear the area of trash and debris on a schedule can prevent the buildup of litter and minimize the risk of clogging the storm drains. Having your storm drains cleaned with a vacuum truck can ensure all debris and water is removed, leaving the drain clean and functioning properly.